So guys, it's around 12 o'clock night in my office and I want to eat something real quick. I'm very hungry right now. So what I did, I ordered something from Swish and they delivered me food in just 10 minutes. So love you Swish. I always order from Swish because the quality of food is awesome, like protein rich, everything taste is awesome, everything is awesome. So thank you for making this kind of app. I love it and I'll show you what I ordered. So this is chicken dum biryani, egg, chicken, full protein. Hi guys, welcome back. Once again I am in my office. It's around 11:30. Again ordered from Swish. This is my entire fucking life bro right now. Grind and then do so much work. Like I have pending task, 3-4 tasks I have to do. Then I'm good to go. One bowl. And second one is this dahi chaat, something like that. Peak life. I'm so blessed by the way I'm in this position to eat good food, sitting in good area, living in good house, working what I love. Yeah, I complain a lot about my life right now also. I'm so frustrated that I have to do something, I never satisfy, but this is what life is. Those people who will get satisfied, who know that this is their last stage, they are okay. Like most of the people here, they are earning 1 lakh rupees, so they are, yeah, 1 lakh rupees and dream job. We are good, we have to perform ye wo. No, not for me. 100% I have to do something else. I don't want this job to be my final job. You saw my clothing brand. I was very happy to launch, to make new designs. I was so happy at that time. Then we built Kinect. I was so happy to make that app. I was so happy to pitch that idea to prof. So yeah, these kind of things make me happy rather than just doing a random job. So in future I'll do something else, but right now, thank you God, thank you everyone, thank you to my father. He helped me a lot, he struggled a lot because of us. You guys, it's 15th of August. कल रात को मैं आके सो गया था. देन टू डे न्यू लाइफ. बहुत लेट उठा. कल सुबह मैं 6 बजे आया था. देन 6 बजे आके मैं सो गया. देन अभी उठा एंड राइट नाउ लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स वी हैव टू डू. सो या, नहा लिया, फ्रेश हो गया, एवरीथिंग इज ओके. टुडे आई एम वेयरिंग दिस शिट. This is Chelsea's football club. So yeah, I'm wearing a cool tee with H&M jeans. Today I ordered my sofa, my bed, my table and chair. So it will be crazy after 3-4 days. So I'll put my bed over here in this room. My table will go here. Here I'll put my light, this light. Here will be my sofa. So yeah, my kitchen is empty right now. Nothing to do in my kitchen, but soon I'll put all my stuff in my kitchen also. So yeah, this week is about to end and I record each day little bit part, but मैंने record किया so that I'll know कि मैंने अपनी Bangalore journey कैसे start करी थी. But yeah, today is 15 July around 8 o'clock right now. So अभी मैं ready हूँ. Now I have to go to my office. 8 बजे ऑफिस जा रहा हूँ. But yeah, सुबह से कुछ खाया भी नहीं है. So I'll eat something. First I'll drink lots of water. Bye bye. ऑफिस आ चुका हूँ. लेट्स फकिंग गो विथ फुल एनर्जी एंड ऑल. ये मेरा खाना है. फिर से श्रीश, बेस्ट इन बेंगलोर. सो या, दाल मखनी. And this is protein bowl with oats. Let's go. So I'll watch something and then I'll eat. Best. Yesterday I also talking about something, life lessons and all. You have to make money to do whatever you want to do, because I'm living my dream life, completely dream. I want to do work, I'm working. I want to do cool stuff for my family, I'm doing that. So yeah, keep hustling, keep working. ये छोटे मोटी चीजों पे मत पड़ो. All everything is bullshit. पैसे कमाओ. So guys, we are done with my first task. We are good to go. So I'll show you. I have all this task pending to do. So done with my first task. Actually two are done. I have 3, 3, 6, 7, 8 tasks for today. So let's go. I'll do second task now and then I'll shoot. Or maybe I'll shoot first and then I'll do second task first and then I'll go and shoot some crazy shit. Also I've done with my food and all. So everything is okay. We are good to go. हाय गाइस, मैं कल का आया हुआ आज जा रहा हूँ. कल आया था मैं. It's 24 hours in office, but yeah, it was kind of productive day. I loved a lot what I did. So right now going to eat something and then I'll go to my home and I'll go to sleep direct. मैं सो जाऊंगा, कल उठूंगा भैंस की टांग. बट यार मैं बस 2 घंटे सोया हूँ. 2 घंटे की स्लीप पे 24 आवर्स इज नॉट गुड आई गेस. और खाना भी नहीं खाया. बट आई हैव टू कंप्लीट माय वर्क. 1 वर्क वाज डन, एक अभी भी पेंडिंग रह गया. बट या दैट्स ओके. सो लेट्स गो. टुडे इज 16th आई गेस. डेट भी याद नहीं रहती भाई, हिल चुका है मेरा सर. बट यार टुडे इज 16 अगस्त. 15th की रात को आया था मैं अराउंड 6 o'clock. अभी 7 हो चुके हैं. तो आई एम गोइंग टू माई होम. दिस इज कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ बाय द वे. बट यार ऐसी नहीं होती नहीं, पर मेरे ऑफिस में तो संडे को भी लोग बैठ के काम कर रहे हैं. सो यार किसी ने मेरे को बोला नहीं काम करने को. आई एम डूइंग बाय माई सेल्फ. सो आई ऑर्डर्ड समथिंग उत्पम एंड पनीर मसाला डोसा. सो राइट नाउ माई रूम इज लुकिंग लाइक दिस. So yeah, right now I ordered something and it's about 12 o'clock in night. So I was planning to sleep but was not able to sleep. I don't know why. I did not sleep from last 28 hours. How can I survive? I don't know. So I got something from Swiggy, I guess. I don't know which platform I use. I forgot. But yeah, egg biryani. This is my bed. मैंने ऑर्डर तो किया है. It will come. My furniture will come around 20 or 21. So after that it will be okay. But right now तो ऐसे ही काम चलाना पड़ रहा है. My food curd. So I'll eat and do my work. तो by the way I'm ordering something from my brother's cart. उसने कार्ट में ऐड कर रखा है. So I'll order those things for him. He will get notification, so it will be very satisfying for me. Puma की स्लीपर्स you know, मतलब मेरा ड्रीम हुआ करता था वो Puma वाली स्लाइड्स पहनने का. But I never ordered for me like 1.6 or something like that. But yeah, I'll order for my brother. छोटा भाई है अभी IIT में गया है. So basically he deserves all these things. After all I am earning for my family and for my loved one. दोस्तों को भी दूंगा, ऐसी बात नहीं है. हिमांशु को बोला है लेने के लिए पर साले ने लिया नहीं. उल्टा लड़ाई और कर ली मेरे से. अगर हिमांशु देख रहा है ना साले. सो यार हिमांशु की और मेरी थोड़ी सी लड़ाई हो चुकी है. नाउ आई विल ईट माय फूड. बाय बाय.